Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you saw what you're doing and you press that subscribe button. Also make sure you click that bell for that notification link. So today is part of my 31 days of October slay, but I do want to apologize and say I have not been posting every single day just due to life events and just me just making sure that my health is on track because I'm a little under the weather, with everything that's going around. You definitely want to make sure you are taking the right health and safety precautions. So I had to focus on me a little bit more, and that's why you can tell that I'm a little nasally as well. So I'm just, making sure I just get back into it because we only have a couple days left in the month of October, and I'm like, your girl gotta just gotta get back into it. You gotta get back on. So today I'm going to be attempting to do another SFX attempt as I'm going to be doing like this look where my mouth is going to be sewn shut. So that's going to be really cool because as y'all already know, I do everything for the first time on my channel. So let's get into it, and this is probably going to be the only time I'm going to be able to talk because if my mouth is sewn shut, I'm not going to be able to like verbalize how the look is. So it's just going to be voiceover, and then I'm just going to show you like the final look. So yeah, also I do want to include that this is going to be part of a Halloween contest. It's for ebonyline.com. So you have to wear like one of their units from the website. This is Annie Bob 12. It's very pretty. It's in the color Cinnamon Mocha, and it's just nice. I feel like this is like the perfect brown color for my skin tone, so it's really nice. And I would definitely post the link to the review in my description box. But yeah, I'm about to jump into this Halloween contest with one of the units. So yeah, if you're able to vote, make sure you vote for your girl. Alrighty, y'all. Let's get straight into it. Bye. Hi, everyone. So I have a clean face with makeup. I'm just going to go in with my liquid latex. I got that from Amazon, and that's just me showing you how I just put the liquid latex in like a little small container. So first you want to do is you just want to take some liquid latex and just put it around your mouth and on top of your lips. Then you're just going to take little pieces of tissue paper, make sure that it's a little ripped around the edges so it can look a little jagged. And I'm just going to be repeating this process at least 5 to 6 times just so I can get that thick texture of actual skin. Now once you are done, you just want to blow dry it. Then on top of that, you just want to put some makeup on it that fits your skin. When that's dry, you want to make sure you take a pair of scissors and you cut a hole where your mouth is. 1, so that you can breathe, and 2, so that you can open up and start the makeup process with the blood and all the gory stuff. So hey, I just wanted to backtrack a little bit and just show you my makeup process. All I did was just use the makeup that I've had. I went in with a darker color since it's white paper, and to try to dull it down, and then I went on top with my colored foundation. So just use your foundation that matches your skin, and then on top of that I'm going to use like a setting powder. I don't know what it's called. I think it's like Neutrogena or something like that. It's something that I've had for a really long time that just kind of mats down the look. So just use what you got. Okay, so let's get back to business. So now we're just going to be, tearing and ripping. Now I did cut a little bit of extra off so that way you can see my lips. So now I'm just poking holes in the flaps because you need the holes to sew in the threading yarn. Now once that is done, you just want to go in the flaps and around your lips with some dark like eyeshadow. If you have like one of those color wheels for SFX, definitely go ahead and use that, but I didn't purchase that yet, so I'm just going in with some dark eyeshadow, and then I'm just using some paint that I got from the dollar store that I had. Instead of me using my more expensive stuff, I decided just to use this because you don't have to use anything to activate the paint. You can just use it straight out the tube. Alright, so here comes the fun part. So what I'm just doing is I'm just mixing the blood that I have. Now if you want like more of a coagulated like scab blood, you can like mix the liquid blood with like brown hair gel, and it will give you that really thick like scab texture. And I'm just using this sponge like tool that I had laying around to applicate the blood. So like I said, anytime I do something, I don't have the professional tools. I just literally use what I have around my house and I just make it do what it do. Alright y'all, so this is me trying to get the thread in. Now it would have been a lot easier, but it was a little difficult for me because I didn't have an actual needle to hook the yarn into. I just couldn't find anything. I couldn't find any needles, like any weaving needles or what. I was just like, really? So I had to just improvise and just, use my fingers to kind of thread it into. And then I just started, sewing in and out in the holes until it was giving me my desired look. Alright, so now that I have it threaded all the way in, the blood was drying up, and that's only because of the hair product mixed in with the blood. The hair product does dry out, so you definitely want to work fast. So I'm just applying some more blood just to cover some of my little mishaps, because as you know, I'm not a pro. This is my first time doing it, so you can add as much blood as you want or as little. I decided to add more blood, that way it can look really painful and really gory. And right here, I'm just going in with some regular stage blood. That way, we have a dynamic of different bloods. This way, it looks like it's, dripping. It's like freshly cut. So just keep applying to your liking. You can use less or you can use more. All right, y'all, so this is me just adjusting it. I felt like I had tightened it, and I wanted to be able to show just a little bit movement. So I loosened the string so that I can move my mouth a little bit more, make it look like have more flexibility and movement and life. So hey y'all, this is the end result. I put like a broken safety pin at the end to kind of look like a needle. But yeah, you gotta use what you got, right? So now I'm just creating a little video so that it can look real, look realistic, looks painful. But in all reality, I do not feel a thing. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, and I'm so glad that it turned out pretty decent. Now, I don't know about y'all, but after I am done executing a look, I just feel so relieved that I actually done it, that I cannot wait to just erase it, take it off my face, and get on to my next project. I'm glad that I was able to do it. I'm really pleased with myself, and it seems like a lot of people are digging this look.